Hey there guys, it's Jay here. I'm just going to show you how to work MikroTik on your Mac today. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually head over to Crossover. And Crossover is done by CodeWeavers. It lets you run Windows applications on your Mac without actually going through a boot camp or Parallels. So go ahead and come here. You can either buy it or you can try the free trial if you'd like to do that. So I'll go to the free trial. I always recommend that first before you buy anything if they give you that option. Enter your name, your email, and then you'll get the download to pop up. The link for this is down below in the description. So go ahead and click that, and once you're done downloading, you should see it pop up right here. So go ahead and click Crossover. All right, move to Applications folder. And go ahead and click Buy or Try Now. Okay, you should get Crossover to pop up like this after you accept a few terms. And what we're going to do is we are going to go to Bottles at the top, and we're going to click New Bottle. Okay, so you should get Crossover. Looks like this. You might have to accept a few terms, but go ahead and click Install. And we're going to type in MikroTik. Go ahead and click that. All right. And okay, and we're done installing our MikroTik Winbox. And go ahead and you can either double click here or click Run Command. I'm just going to double click here to run Winbox. All right, and you should be good to go now. All right, have a good one, guys. Comment if you guys need any more applications on Mac that come from Windows, and let me know if you have any issues with this. All right, later.